What is up, everyone? Kyle here. Today we are going to be testing out some new products. As you guys have seen in previous videos, and I've talked about it before, the clear coat on these fenders of the blue Mustang is peeling up. Obviously there's many different ways to fix it. Repaint, just have them put a clear coat on. But I have been seeing some products online. They make clear coat in a can. Basically it works just like spray paint. You know, shake it up, it's got a marble in there. You shake it up, spray it on, let it dry, and it works. It's actually warm enough today to do it. Right now in the garage, it's saying it's 63 degrees, it's 70 out there, so obviously it's gonna warm up a little bit more in here. But I'm gonna get, obviously not a paint booth or anything, just got some cloths and stuff to make sure it doesn't get oversprayed and anything like that. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if we get any decent results with it. It is just an aerosol can, so and it's not like a professional paint system or anything like that. But if it looks, you know, halfway better than what it does now, I'm gonna take it as a win because it was cheap. I think it was like 23 bucks when I bought it. And if we can fix these fenders, here, I'll show you this side. If we can fix these fenders for 23 bucks, I think that's a win. So let's get going. I'm gonna get set up here. Zeus came out to say hi. I'm gonna get set up here and see if we get any decent results. So I'm gonna get shaking on that and we'll get started. So reading the directions on the back here, if you look at it, so shake for 3 minutes, spray 6 to 10 inches away, wait 5 minutes, and then you can do 3 max coats. We're gonna do 1, see how it looks, and then just go from there. So both sides are drying now. You're gonna get 2 for 1 today. I'm gonna see if I can fix this crack in the windshield. There you go, now you can see it. So basically what happened was I was cleaning and I dropped this. There you can see, smack right there. So instead of replacing a new windshield, which I just did, I'm gonna see if I can, like all the cracks are on the inside, like you can't, none of these cracks are on the outside. I wanna see if I can't at least hide those. So for this, I just got Windshield Repair kit, got it off Amazon, like 12 bucks. So we're gonna get inside the car, open this up, make sure we do it right, and see, because this is gonna have a little bit more time to dry before it's ready to do anything else with it. So if I'm looking at this correctly, we'll just fill in the gaps, put the curing strips on, and it should go away. So here's the curing strips, here's the material. Let's see if it actually hides it. Okay guys, been a couple of hours, let it dry. So as you can see, real glossy, looks good. What I noticed about this, like this side looks really, really nice. Well, I guess a lot better. What I noticed about this is once the clear coat starts already peeling up, you can still see the difference. Like look, if you can see the difference in the clear coat. So what I noticed is if there's a little bit of clear coat on it, this product is not the one for you. I'll pull it up. Here, this is not the one for you, but if you have no clear coat on the entire thing and you want to use it, it looks like it could work pretty well. What I did notice is terrible overspray. Like it literally wanted to go everywhere, particles everywhere, like worst overspray of any spray aerosol I've ever used. But when it is, it's still a little tacky, so I'm not going to touch it too much, put fingerprints all over it. But I mean, it's shiny. It looks really good for just being an aerosol can. This side definitely looks a lot better. See, this side looks a lot better. However, you can see where the clear coat was. You can still see the differences in the clear coat, but the whole thing is now covered. And it looks shiny. I mean, it looks decent. Definitely gonna get the job done. So this side doesn't look as good for some reason. Not sure why, but it is technically now protected. There's a clear coat overall. You can see it probably needs buffed down a little bit, polished. Like there's speckles and just all sorts of stuff in it. It didn't leave a smooth coating like you'd expect some. So obviously it's not just a spray on be done. It's supposed to be like, they say it's self-leveling. I don't think so, but would I do it again? Probably not, unless the whole thing needs a clear coat. If the entire surface is not clear coated, it might actually work. $3 or something like that. Not bad. Probably wouldn't use it again though. So the last product we used was this glass cleaner. So I have to take these off and then use the razor blade and get rid of the cracks. You can see it does look a lot better than what it did, but you can still see the cracks didn't quite fill them in. So this product is designed for cracks being on the outside. These cracks are on the inside of the window, so made it really hard, because obviously it's a dripper bottle, made it really hard to fill them in, so that won't be as good as normal. But some of them are almost completely hidden unless you look at a very specific angle. Like this angle here, I can't see any of the cracks. Let me flip it around. Like this angle here, they are almost completely invisible besides a few. But then obviously if you move over, you can see it continue all the way through. So I couldn't get a perfect seal like it wanted to, but if your crack is on the outside, I think that one would work really, really well. So this still isn't dry yet. Ooh, it actually does cover up the cracks quite nicely from the front. You can see it. Once that fully dries, I'll be able to use the razor blade and scrape off all that. So this I would use again. So the Rain-X window repair kit I would use again. Look like it's worked really, really nicely. Obviously, I didn't have an ideal crack on how they normally say it works best with, but it worked well considering it being on the inside, not the outside. That one I would use again. But yeah, so there it is. Is what it is. I mean, it is a cheap little race car, but even from the videos, the sides do look nicer with that just little bit of clear coat spray I put on it. And the crack is definitely not as bad as it used to be. So, event's coming up soon. Looking forward to that. Hopefully gonna get some more videos here shortly. Deciding what I'm going to build next. I think I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. Just have to make sure I can get it all to work out. If I can get everything lined up, I'll let you guys know. And it'll just be waiting game until it all shows up. But be looking for that, the unveiling video of the next Twisted 500. Can't really call it Twisted 500, but you guys will see that coming up soon. Let me know what you guys thought, any questions on it, whatever, let me know. So yeah, things are coming. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Big things coming. I know, like it says a lot, but if I'm able to get these things to work, actual big things coming. I'll see y'all soon.